It's time. It's time that you get on your grind. This is herbal Kool-Aid. Herbal Kool-Aid. Nothing but herbs. Let's stay away from them artificial dyes and colorings. That red 40, y'all need to look that up. That's in most of your juices, all of that Capri Suns, all of that fake Kool-Aid, all of them juices and stuff like that. They got dyes in it. So this is an alternative that you can make for your family. Every week I make this juice for my family. I'm never missing with it. Like, I'm never missing with it. Like, every week this juice is gonna, hey, every week. Every single week. Like, and I go through it. And I'm glad because y'all seen them herbs that I put in there. Them herbs is gonna be in their body regardless. Them herbs gonna be in their food regardless. Them herbs gonna be in their tea regardless. Anything that I make is herbs in it. And it's gonna get you well. We have to start caring about our health and our wellness because it's the livity. This is how we're going to live a longer life. By making our own juices. By making our own food. Do you hear me? Growing our own food. Our own herbs. So y'all get with me. If y'all want to be a part of this mission of building sustainability in all of our communities worldwide. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Peace and love, light to you on your journey. It's time to make our herbal Kool-Aid. The water is boiled already. Our herbal Kool-Aid. So for our herbal Kool-Aid, ginger. This is hibiscus. So I'm making an herbal Kool-Aid. And I already made. I think that's enough. So we're gonna put some cinnamon on there. We're gonna put some oregano and thyme in there. This is a herbal Kool-Aid. We're gonna put our ginger in there. Just to sweeten it, we're gonna use cane sugar. So that's just some ginger. This is the cane sugar evaporated. Raw cane sugar evaporated. I'm gonna just dump that in there. Alright, y'all. So I got my rosemary, oregano, and thyme, and also some spearmint. I forgot to add that in there. So I'm gonna add that. And this is an herbal Kool-Aid. I make it all the time. I make it every week. Every week I'm making it, so it's not just me making it for the holy days. I make this all the time for my daughter. All the time for my daughter. This is herbal Kool-Aid. You see? And the raw cane sugar is still melting down. See? That's raw cane sugar. That's dried out. That's dried out raw cane sugar. Bringing it to life. Alright, now it's time to stir it up. Setting our intentions with it. I'm going to put some oregano and thyme in here as well. This is a herbal oregano, thyme, and rosemary. I'm about to go put that in there as well. So I'm just stirring it up for now. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Give thanks and gratitude, most highest divine I, for our health and wellness, for the joy, for all there is, was, and ever shall be in our life. We give thanks and gratitude. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Peace and love coming our way. When we drink this and set our intentions over it, when you set your intentions over your food, over your juice, over your tea, it has no choice but to manifest into your reality. It has no choice but to manifest into your reality when you speak your intentions over everything that you do. It has no choice but to. You know what I'm saying? So ashe, ashe, ashe. That's our herbal Kool-Aid. Ashe, ashe, ashe. I'll see you on that holy day. With my herbal Kool-Aid, you can have, and that's just cinnamon. With my herbal Kool-Aid, you can have it warm or you can have it cold. Let's taste it. With our herbal Kool-Aid, so it has set. So we having that meal with our herbal Kool-Aid. I'm about to fill that bottle up. It's cooled down. I'm about to fill this bottle up. And yeah, that's what we doing. Y'all see it. This is LC's Herbal Kool-Aid. This is CJ's Therapeutic Touch Kool-Aid. This is CJ's Therapeutic Touch Herbal Kool-Aid. Y'all see it? Y'all just seen us make it. I just strained it out. These are herbs. These is herbs. This is cinnamon to sweeten it. Having me a glass right now. This in particular sweetener is cane sugar with cinnamon. Usually I do raw honey. I do raw honey to sweeten my herbal Kool-Aid. No artificial dyes, colors, preservatives, nothing. This is 100% from nature. This is 100% from nature that I just used to make this Kool-Aid. We have to stay away from that artificial Kool-Aid. Y'all, we got to stay away from that red 40. Look it up. Look up red 40. That's how they dye and stuff and make everything red and stuff. And they had it in certain all that stuff. But this has no dyes or preservatives. All natural, plant-based. Get on it. If you want, I can send you the herbs to make it yourself. I can send you the herbs to make it yourself. Or you can buy it all right at me, but you gotta pay for that weight. So I'd rather you just make it yourself. I got the herbs to make it. Don't worry about it. I got all the herbs that you can make this herbal Kool-Aid with. Just on my website is a tea request. So you're going to have to request this. This is not on my website to sell. But you can request it. Herbal Kool-Aid. And I'm going to know what you're talking about. And it's already a price to everything that you need me to customize for you. We'll set up a Zoom call if you want to see how you want it customized to your liking. You know, I put different stuff.